At the end of this seminar, you will have a clear understanding of how you can spot the war room regular flat pattern in the chart, which unfold in 1, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for C. My name is RJ, founder of Hello Ninja, and I'm passionate about teaching traders how to apply Hello Ninja principle to improve their trading skills. The first thing we are going to do now is to find with A, B, and C spot. This is wave A, this is wave B, and this is wave C. So for we to know that this is actually a correct sequence of regular flats, we have to look what is inside the subwave that unfold in this wave A, wave B, and wave C, because we said it is in A, B, and C. Now let's first give with A, B, C its label. Let's start with that. A, B, and C. Now, it is not that we agree yet that this is a regular flat. Before you agree this is a regular flat, you need to check the subwave to confirm it. Okay, yeah, this is actually a regular flat. Does it have with A have what? 1, 2, 3. Does wave A have 1, 2, 3? We're going to check. Does wave B have 1, 2, 3? We are going to check it. Does wave C have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? We are going to check all these things in details. Okay, so we confirm that yes, this is a clean and clear completion of a regular flat. Now let's start. The subwave we have for wave A is in 3, right? This is wave A, corrective structure ABC, wave B, and wave C of this subwave end up forming what is called an ending diagonal pattern. Okay, an ending diagonal pattern. This is how it looks like, connecting them with the trend line and all that. Okay, any diagonal pattern is labeled in 5. We already teach this stuff. Any diagonal will teach you everything about it. It should not be something that you'll be surprised about. 1, 2, 3, wave 4 can come to the territory of wave 2 is one of the rules. Then we have wave 5. Okay, this any diagonal is sending signal information that we just finished with a sequence. We're going to have a retracement anytime soon. And that is exactly what happened. We have with B. With B is also in 3 convertive structure. When you look at the chart right here, 1, 2, and 3, which is A, B, and C. A, B, then we have C. Now we have our 3 and 3. 2, 3, right? Because the main thing that you should focus on regular flat is that the structure unfold in 3, 3, 5. The structure unfold in 3, 3, 5. So we have our first tree, which is ABC, which ends with diagonal. We have our second tree, which is an ABC, a zigzag pattern, and the last structure is in 5, right? This move, we caught it at Hello Ninja, everything, and we also gave it on all of our social media accounts. We gave it on our YouTube and all that. We have wave 1, wave 2, Then this is wave 3. Wave 4, correlative structure. Then we have wave 5. I should know this is Bitcoin chart, daily time frame. So when you look at it now, you see it clearly that it is exact same thing that you're looking at right now, which is regular flat. That is exactly what unfold on this chart, which we have A, B, and C. That is how we know that Bitcoin will go all the way down to this stage. Because after corrective structure completion, we are going to have a continuation. I hope you are getting it. This is a clean 3, 3, and 5. Maybe we should just do it this way so you can understand it very, very well. I don't want to confuse us. I don't want you to confuse us about anything. It's better this way. It is in 3 with A is 3. With B is 3. With C is 5. Now look at the chart clearly. This is 3, 3, 5. When you look at it here, you have the same thing. 3, 3, 5. Okay, this is A, B, C. Now, let me show you all the setup that we actually make on this thing, that we use it to actually predict what is going to happen on Bitcoin, and it goes exactly as we predicted. This was when we gave the analysis setup that we are going with 4 range. Now, we know that wave 4 is a corrective structure. That is a good information. We've been following it up for a long time, and we said we're going with 4 into the box, right? And now, look at it. We've been following up for a long time. We just keep going all the way up. And when we reach this stage, we said we're going to have with 3, with 4, and with 5. This is 3, 3, and as this range, we have not completed the structure at this range. This is daily time frame on Bitcoin, April 23. We have not completed the structure. We just keep giving the information, passing everything to show you that this is a clean, regular, flat pattern. Can you imagine what you can take out of it if you know that structure? Just try to know that structure, memorize it, make it part of your muscle memory. When you look at the chart, you're like, okay, this is a regular flat. I'm going to give you an assignment so you find this regular flat pattern on any asset trading group. Okay, you find it on any asset trading group. And this was when we completed the wave 4. As you can see, the regular flat structure actually work. It gives you a lot of information that this thing is almost complete. Once we complete it, we should be expecting what? Continuation to the downtrend. It's not that you just be like, okay, maybe Bitcoin will turn around this range. No, it's not maybe. It's all about following the structure and understanding what is currently unfolding in the market. There's no maybe in this stuff. Okay, after we completed it, we just keep going down, and once we see that we're going to have this completion of wave 3, and we gave the notice that we might have a retracement after we break out of this support level, which become resistance, we may have a retracement for you to sell more. We gave this opportunity, and just few people also caught the move, and we just keep going down on Bitcoin since then. Just keep going all the way down. And once we have the retracement of wave 4, we give the notice also that this is a retracement of wave 4, we're going wave 5. And how do we know all this stuff? Just because we were able to spot this regular flat pattern, which is an A, B, and C. This corrective structure give a lot of information. It give you a lot of, look at just from knowing A, B, C, regular flat pattern, which is in 3, 3, and 5, and we're able to cause all these move. All of it. We didn't miss any. We reached wave 3, which we gave the wave 4 retracement that we are going with 5. And we still go with 5. Let me show you. This is our current wave 5. From wave 4, we go with 5. And around this range, the best way that you can do it is to get out of the game because we are almost done with wave 5. It is possible that the market might not even hit this box level before going up. So because of this small thing that remain, and you want to be greedy, I want everything. You can see that the market might start going all the way up around this range. But if you protect yourself, protect your capital, we already break this last low, which is wave 3, and wave 5 might have been completed around this range, or it might go inside the box level. But the best thing you can do, get out of this trade around here, then you wait to hit this box level or to start a new trend. That is Bitcoin going for retracement. Okay, this is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is impulse. With 1 is winter, with 2 is spring, with 3 is summer. Look at the summer. The summer is very long. With 4 is bonus. That give you another opportunity to position yourself in the direction of the larger trend. And with 5 is fall season. That is how we do it. Just from knowing this pattern, which is regular flat with A, with B, and with C. Wow. Now you can see how this woven regular flat, how powerful it is. You don't joke with it. If you can learn this stuff and try to find it in the market, go. Bro, you just say that everything will change. The way you see the market, everything will change. That is it. Just trying to find regular flat. We have many woven. It's just one of our woven battle plan. This is just one of our battle plan. We have many, but don't worry, we're gonna give you everything, and you just have to start with 1 or 2. And when you know it, now that you know it, all you have to do is to do the practice, check it on your chart, keep checking it until you get it right. That is it. It is that simple. You have to take one step, then you take another step, you take another step. But start with this. Okay, that's the best thing. So this is just the lesson that we want to give you today, and I hope this seminar is helpful for you. Okay, A, B, and C, which is regular flat pattern. Regular flat pattern unfold in 3, 3, and 5, which is labeled A, B, and C. Just have that in your mind. Then you keep looking 3, 3, and 5. That is it. And just change this chart to the one we are using. This is our normal chart. So our normal chart still give the information that we are likely to retrace back to this box. It is possible, and if it's not going back to the box, it might start a new trend. But before we start buying for a new trend, we have to use other thing that we use for confirmation. We have to check it before we start buying again. But for now, it is likely that the Bitcoin hit this box level, then we start the retracement. Or we may start the retracement now without hitting the box level. That is why you should be out of this game for now. Get out and wait, have the patience. You know what I'm saying? That is what we need now. So, but for now, this is our new setup that we're going to complete this with 5 here. Then we start new trend. We start buying. Once we hit this box level, we start buying. But if you don't hit the box level, that doesn't mean we can't still buy. We just have to wait for more confirmation. You know what I'm saying? Once we get more confirmation for the buying setup, one of the confirmation we use is candlestick. I'll give you that. One of the confirmation we use is candlestick. When you use candlestick as confirmation, like okay, yeah, we now have enough information around here, then you can start buying. But for now, we don't even have any confirmation that will make us to buy around here. No, we don't do that. So we just have to wait. Then You know what I'm saying? That is how it goes. I hope this regular flat pattern is helpful to you and make use of it. ABC, just one information and give you all the setup. Yeah. Have a good day.